Ah, it feels good to be back home. Well, hey, we're back from Texas. We got that house all done, and I went to the store and got some caulking at my favorite warehouse, construction warehouse store. And before I go ahead and recalk this is a countertop that's about 17 years old. I'm going to clean and recalk it, and I got some gray at the store, but when I went back to Home Depot, it reminded me about the carpet that got installed over at that house. Not this carpet, but the other carpet, you remember. And when I was at Home Depot, remember I told you before that on carpet, if you go and replace your carpet, you might want to check out Home Depot. Because when I was at Home Depot getting this caulking, I walked past this little stand. It has some carpet rolls out there, and it said free carpet install. And then check for details, and it said something about the carpet that was installed. The free carpet install also included pulling up your old carpet and your carpet pad. It also said free furniture removal. Now, I'd like to see them remove this. This sucker is so heavy, and it's one of those beds that goes up and down, and it's all heavy, and it said free furniture removal. Yeah, free furniture removal, removing all this stuff. You know, if you had this, and look at this whole couch ensemble, you have to take this all apart and move it to get this carpet replaced. You know, they'd have to take this stuff out and stack it in here and stuff. And we were talking about replacing the carpet here maybe in a couple years, and I thought the biggest nightmare of installing new carpet is moving all the furniture, all the beds, all the stuff like that. And Home Depot, it says they'll move your furniture for free. And you know what else it said? It said it would do your stairs. It would do your stairs for free. The carpet install also includes stairs. Look at these stairs. You know, most carpet places, they would probably charge you a little bit extra to do stairs. You know, here, look at this whole thing. I don't know where they put all this furniture. They got all this stuff. If we were to replace this carpet, I don't know. They probably have to take all of this furniture here. It all pulls apart in pieces. You know, maybe stack it over here or something, or back down in here. Do this section first. Stretch it all up to a certain point, and then move the furniture back on over here so that they can get going further. I'm not quite sure how they would do that, because see, this carpet here flows on through that way. So maybe they would have to take this stuff, put it out on the deck or something. I have no idea. And so Home Depot says they'll even move your furniture for free, pull up all your carpet pad, and your stairs. It would include the stairs, pulling up those and reinstalling that. So check that out next time you get ready to install carpet. Okay? Well, that's what I wanted to tell you on this short little bit, because, you know, it really bugged me that we were getting ready to check Home Depot when we went there in an afternoon, and there was like 4 other people in front of us talking to the carpet guy at Home Depot, and we thought, nah, we're not going to wait. We'll just check the next day. And then I looked through on the internet on some other carpet installers, and somebody was able to come out the very next day, and so we didn't end up going back to Home Depot to figure on the carpet. And this other place, it was pretty inexpensive, but I know they charged for the carpet install, and I kept kicking myself like, man, you know, we could have saved, I don't know, $300-400 or more for the carpet install had we have just checked out my favorite construction warehouse. Okay, think about that next time. Boy, that's going to haunt me every time I go back to Home Depot now. But you know what? I think that was meant for a reason, for me to go out of my way and make this extra section video for Home Depot. I'm not getting paid for this, but I want you to know that, hey, there are other options when it goes to carpet install. Okay? And the carpet was fairly inexpensive at Home Depot. They've got all kinds of stuff. They can order it and all that kind of stuff. So, you know, check all that stuff out. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. What am I going to talk about next time? Yeah, probably recalking your backsplashes on your countertops. This backsplash, lots of times, this is like a Corian type of product, and the backsplash is separate. And after a while, depending how well they've got this caulked in, you might have to replace that caulking or redo it. Now, Momi was checking that out with me the other day, and she mentioned that she wanted it recalked. See there, right there? See that gap? Well, that's because the caulking's missing. And see over there, you can see the little bit of line. Here's another section right in there. You can see the line. And I started peeling some of this out, and it was actually clear silicone. Well, I'm not going to put clear silicone back in there. I don't like doing that. I'm going to use a gray, and this is what I went to Home Depot, and I'm going to use this stuff right here. This was the only light gray that they had, and it's kind of in between a light gray and a dark gray. I was thinking if they had a dark gray, I might go with the dark gray, but when I talked to Momi, she says light gray. And you know what? This is going to look really good, this light gray for here. And that's what I'm going to end up doing. Because see, look at over here. This is my countertop. And this clear silicone almost looks light gray anyways, doesn't it? You know? Look at this. It's just coming right off. This counter is like 17 years old. And all I got to do, I'm gonna clean it all off. You know, anything that I think I'll probably end up cleaning, even stuff that looks like it's still stuck, because I want to get a nice thin little bead in there. I don't want to get it too thick. If I put it too thick, you know, I could go over the old stuff, but then I get a big huge line there. I want to try to keep it as thin as I can. Look at this. See over here, it's failed behind the sink faucet. Here, if you see a black line, you know that the caulking has separated. See there? You can see just a little bit of a line there. And that means the caulking has lifted a little bit on one edge. And see, I'm not gonna use my fingernail for all that. I'm gonna mess up my fingers on that. I'll use a putty knife or something. See, even on this edge here, see that nice little crack? And you can fix this kind of stuff around your house. You know, just do a few things, try a few different things, and you'll start getting good at different little projects around your house. You know, I'm even looking at that. See there? Now that's white caulking right up against the painted wall. So I'm going to use white caulking there. Just a dab, just very, very thin little bit. Wipe it, get a wet finger on there and a rag and wipe off the excess so I have a nice little thin bead of caulking. See up here? That looks nice, except right there in the corner. You know, they didn't get that very well, did they? I can put it in there and take a little flathead screwdriver and fix that white there, gray on the top and on that edge there, okay? So different things like that. See here, I was just looking here. There's a little bit more that I can fix and touch up. And here's some over here at Momi's. I'm gonna clean that up. I'll put white caulking there and gray everywhere else. And I can look on my other counters and stuff, and I've got I've got plenty of caulking for that, and I'll show you that next time. Okay, so keep watching my videos, and I make the videos so that you can keep learning on how to do things around the house on your own and how to save money. So keep watching my videos, peruse my YouTube channel. I've got all kinds of good stuff there for you to watch. All right, see you next time.